horoscope from the 30th of July to August the 5th. And this is for you coming from Taurus. So let's start with Sunday the 30th. And there I see planets which make you very obstinate, which means stubborn, and also very dominating and very blunt and very pushy. Don't do that, or you're going to spoil the Sunday morning, afternoon and evening sessions. Be the opposite. Be appreciative, be supportive, let others take the lead, and you can have a much better time. The evening and nightfall sessions for you coming from Taurus are very good. They bring solutions where earlier you could not find. They bring good meetings for romance or for your job or even for business. So mix business and pleasure during the evening and nightfall session. Go out with your loved ones, with your family members. No harm inviting somebody who is a colleague or your boss or even a business potential. You are going to do very well in the evening and nightfall session. Monday the 31st for you from Taurus starts very badly, and it can produce all kinds of headaches in the morning, afternoon and early evening period. And these include your own behavior, which becomes very irresponsible. You say things and do things which you don't care. Your temper will be really moving around like a wild loose cannon. And you will also be a person who can be extremely off the beaten track, which means very radical or very rebellious. Now that's not good for you to be at work, neither when you're dealing with marriage partner or romance partner. So do the opposite and be appreciative, be kind, be supportive, let others say what they want to do, try and follow what they say, and you will improve it. Idea is to lessen this negative energy which is coming from you. Sometimes it can be coming from others, so watch out as well, stay calm. The evening and nightfall period is when these dominating planets return and you get stubborn and you don't want to follow the plans made by others and you want changes. Don't do that or you spoil the whole evening. Don't be a perfectionist that way. Be a person who goes along with the plans of others for the evening and nightfall session of the 31st of Monday, and you will do much better. Tuesday the 1st, there are many ego planets there, watch out. You can be very touchy, oversensitive, show your temper, be a person who has an aggressive attitude. Now, you can meet very good people in the business sense in the morning, afternoon and evening period. And the last thing you want is to behave the way I've just described you that you shouldn't. So be the opposite, be elegant, show people that you want to support them, allow others to take the lead. Be a person who is very flexible, and you will begin to do well morning, afternoon and evening session at workplace. The nightfall session, also these planets follow you. Now also there's some good planets which want to attract you to some kind of a relationship. It could be a business partnership as well. And also you get very imaginative and creative in the evening and nightfall session. But you can also have this ego issue. Ego is a good word. It's not a bad word. It just means that you are very ambitious and you want to project your ideas and project yourself. Don't overdo it during the evening and nightfall session of Tuesday the 1st. Wednesday the 2nd of August is an extremely good day. And morning, afternoon, evening you do very well. And you get good news at place of work or in business. And if looking for a romance, it's the right time to go hunting and you're going to get a good romance. And also if you're looking to improve your marriage and get it on a better kneel, also good. So morning, afternoon and evening in all areas of your life, you are able to improve situations to very high points. Evening and nightfall period also good. And you will be very happy, you will be in the company you like and people love you and they want to listen to you and they adore you. But there is one planet roaming around. This is the planet that makes you very rebellious, makes you very uncaring for what you say or do. So watch out. Off and on you can get into that. Maybe you get irritated or annoyed by somebody and you'll do that. Remind yourself, no, I'm going to not spoil the evening and night time. I'm going to remain calm and be very polite. Thursday the 3rd of August for you coming from Taurus is not very good. These are planets who don't harm you, but they make your attitude, your behavior, your outlook very dominating and difficult to deal with. And so you become very stubborn basically. Don't do that in the morning, afternoon, evening period with anybody of a personal nature, or with people at your work, or with people who are doing business with you. Otherwise you're going to spoil everything. Evening and nightfall period, also these planets follow you. And now there is one good planet around who wants to introduce you to somebody important, whether in relationship, in business, in career, whether in friendship, whatever. Don't spoil the duty that this good planet wants to do by being stubborn and being dominating. Friday the 4th becomes a very troublesome day for you, and anything that go wrong is waiting to go wrong. You must concentrate on what is important. You cannot afford to take it easy or have daydreams or be a person who becomes extremely careless because you are not paying attention and your focus is very poor. So that can create plenty of problems in your area of work or job or in business areas, where what you say or do is going to have very bad influence on your near future. The evening and nightfall session also very troublesome. And now also some slow planets move in, frustrating you. Your plans may be delayed, or your plans for the evening may be cancelled. That can add into the problem. You can meet people you knew from the past that you don't like or hear from them. And so even these fast planets that make you impulsive can bring accidents. So many things can also go wrong in the evening and nightfall session. To play safe, you might as well just go home, but if you have to be out, be very cautious. Saturday the 5th, very fast planets are seen, and they are not so stable with you. So they make you impatient, they make you hasty, make you say things that you didn't really mean to, make you do things that you wish you didn't, stuff like that. And so you're going to be saying sorry and sorry and sorry. So go slow. Count to 3 in your mind before you say or do anything. And that way you will create less issues that are being said in miscommunication, miscalculation. Just go slow. There's also some danger of accidents throughout the whole day, including the evening and night. That's because of the speed factor of these planets who make you act that way. Evening and nightfall period, avoid arguments. In fact, avoid arguments the whole day and night, because one of these planets rules your tongue, and your tongue can be as sharp as a metal, being sarcastic, saying things that you'll regret. So again, count to 3 in your mind, and by the time you come to 2 and your brain says don't say it, well, don't say it. That's the way to counter these planets. Evening and nightfall period, drive carefully, or drive carefully throughout the day. Now there's one planet of ego hanging around, and something said may make you very defensive and make your ego get very active, and then you become egocentric, you become a perfectionist, you are not agreeing with anybody. That's the way things can go wrong, right? Now I'm already Skyping, and I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session, which is going to be based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palms. And if you are Skyping or if you're seeing me personally, I'll be watching your face and reading your face. I can use Kabbalistic tarot cards also in the 90 minutes. Go to Facebook and communicate with me, or go to Skype and do the same, or send me an email and I will make contact with you and we can start talking. I want to be accurate for your next 5 or 6 years in all areas of your life. Until then, thank you and good luck.